Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to export images that you have created on Affinity with transparent background in PNG format. So I am getting a lot of queries from many of my students that they have created several images but they are unable to export it with transparent background. So how you do that? So for that, first you need to create an image something like this. So you must be having one and now you want to know how to export it. So for that you need to click on this document setup. Here when you scroll down you will get this transparent background toggle button over here. So you need to turn on this and then click on OK. And now you can see you are already getting a transparent background. And now it's time to export. So let's say you want to export only this particular image. So for that you need to just first click on this arrow icon and then select that particular image and click on Export PNG over here. Just give any name. I'll give background.png, click on save, and our file is rightly exported over here. You see this file is just what we have just now exported in a PNG format. Similarly, let's say you want to export only this butterfly text. So just select that and click on Export PNG. You can click on save button and now we'll see butterfly is rightly exported in a PNG format. Similarly, let's say you want to export both these two images together. So select that and click on Export PNG and give some name and click on save. And now if you click on this, you can see that both these two images are exported together because you have selected both these two images. So that's how you export an image in a transparent background on Affinity. So that's basically all about this video. Do subscribe for more such tutorials. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.